Namaste to all Jaimin students. I am Jaimin Rajendra Chaudhary, Department of Science and Technology. Today we will discuss on the topic of law and technology. The topic name is browser, web browser. This is the second session of this subject. Basically, you know about the web browser. A web browser is an application software that allows us to view and explore information on the web. User can request for any web pages by just entering a URL into address bar. Basically, एक जो वेब ब्राउजर होता है वो डिफरेंट पेजेस का कलेक्शन होता है. वी कैन से दैट द वेब ब्राउजर इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ डिफरेंट वेब पेजेस. एंड जितने भी वेब पेजेस आप देखते हैं वो सारे के सारे वेब पेजेस एक HTML लैंग्वेज के थ्रू क्रिएट किए जाते हैं, जिनके थ्रू हम अपनी इमेजेस, टेक्स्ट, ऑडियो, वीडियो, सम एनिमेशन सब इंपोर्ट करवा सकते हैं वेब ब्राउजर्स पे. एंड वेब ब्राउजर कैन शो टेक्स्ट, ऑडियो, वीडियो, एनिमेशन एंड मोर. इट इज द रिस्पांसिबिलिटी ऑफ ए वेब ब्राउजर टू इंटरप्रेट टेक्स्ट एंड कमांड कंटेंट इन द वेब पेजेस. There are different type of web browser in our real life, like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari. These are the type of web browser. Web browser में आप कई तरीके के इनक्रिप्टेड फॉर्मेट में या डिक्रिप्टेड फॉर्मेट में जो भी कंटेंट होते हैं इनको सेंड या ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो वन लोकेशन टू अनदर लोकेशन. अर्ली द वेब ब्राउजर वर text based, while nowadays graphical based or voice based web browsers are also available. Following are the most common web browser available today. There are some web browser listed, and first is Internet Explorer, and that vendor composed by Microsoft Corporation. Second is Google Chrome, also created by Google Corporation. Mozilla Firefox, Mozilla, Netscape Navigator, Netscape Communications. This is the first web browser. नेटस्केप is फर्स्ट वेब ब्राउजर. ओपेरा सॉफ्टवेयर, सफारी is एप्पल प्रोडक्ट, सी मंकी, मोजिला फाउंडेशन एंड कैमलन. हाउ टू स्टार्ट इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोर ऑन योर सिस्टम. Internet Explorer is a part of web browser. That is a simple step to start some web browser installed on your system. Firstly, we talk about Internet Explorer. Firstly, Internet Explorer is a web browser developed by Microsoft. I already told you that Internet Explorer is a web browser that developed by Microsoft Corporation, is a company name. It is installed by default with the Windows operating system. Whenever you purchase a new system, new computer, then you see the Internet Explorer by default installed Internet Explorer on your PC. It can be downloaded and be upgraded. To start Internet Explorer, firstly follow the some steps. Firstly, we go to start button and click on Internet Explorer, and see the images. Second point, how to access a web page. Whenever you start the Internet Explorer and you see this images like this, and open the web browser. Accessing web browser is very simple. Just enter the URL. This is a URL part, and this URL part the combinations of different type of content. Like first is HTTPS. HTTPS is a protocol. www is a world wide web that cover the complete all world internet. And google.co.in is a domain name. You can say that this is a domain. I already told you about the domain name, and domain name have stored some particular address. That address is called IP address. Okay. And navigation is a hyperlink. You can say that a web page may contain a hyperlink, like that this one, LISP, iOS, web.net, Java, PHP. This is all these example of navigation, and each navigation have some hyperlink. Whenever we click on this navigation, open the new tab. This one. When we click on this link, other web page is opened. There is hyperlink can be in form of text or images. When we take the mouse over a hyperlink, the pointer change its shape, the hand, like this. Saving web page. How to save a web page. and you can save web page to use in future. In order to save the web page, the following step we follow. Click the file and save as. Save web page dialog box appear. Choose the location where you want to save your web page from. Save in list box and name. Fill your name, file name, and select the type from save as established. You see the some types of list box like web page, complete, web, array, web, HTML only, text file. From the encoding list box, choose the character set which will be used with your web page. By default, western European is selected, and after save your web page. And we talk about web server. Basically, a web server is a computer which the web content is stored. Whenever we stored, we download, we upload our file, video, that all these content, images and file, audio, this is stored on your server. Basically, a server is a computer. We can say that a server is a computer. Same like a client, also a computer. And basically, web server is used to host the website, but there exist other web server also, such as gaming, storage, activity. There are different types of web servers. And website is a collection of web pages. We already told you a website is a collection of different web pages. And while web server is a software that responds to the request, upcoming request to client. There are some scenario, internal architecture, internal work functionality of your web server between web server and client. Basically, this is a part of web client and this is a part of web server. Firstly, web client is sent to request web server, and this request is called HTTP request, and web server search the upcoming request data on your database like static data store, and database also send the response this one, and server also send again to send this response to web client. Okay, thank you so much.